Hello everyone, my name is Ben Howard and welcome to my course Visualizing Data with PivotCharts. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and PivotCharts are no exception, providing a neat way of visualizing the data from a corresponding pivot table. In this course, Visualizing Data with PivotCharts, you'll gain the skills to quickly produce charts to a professional standard which neatly summarize the associated pivot table, allowing you to visualize the data and spot any trends within it. First, you will learn what pivot charts are and the different types of chart which are available for you to use. Next, you'll discover how to create pivot charts and choose the correct chart type and finesse the look and feel of the chart. Finally, you'll explore how to make the chart truly and fully interactive by adding filters, slicers and drill up, drill down capability, helping you answer all of those difficult data-related questions that your co-workers and managers just keep on asking. When you've finished the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to use Excel pivot charts in order to professionally present your data. In terms of prerequisites, it would be an advantage if you're familiar and comfortable with manipulating data in pivot tables. I hope you'll join me on this course, Visualizing Data with Pivot Charts at Pluralsight.